Guess what? I got the squeaks in the front now. The rear suspension's fine, but the front is getting the squeaks. Let me see if I can demonstrate this somehow. Let me find some way to balance this and show what I'm talking about. Hope that demonstrates it. I probably repeated this in another video, but you got to get yourself some RT or AT205 reseal. Get yourself a little bottle, fill this bad boy up so you can get ready to spray it, along with some marine grade grease. You have to lube the Ohlin suspension once in a while. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to open this dust boot up right there. I'll lift that open so you can see. Lifting it open. See the shaft right in there? I'm going to put deliberately some marine grease on that shaft. So when it goes up and down, it'll reduce the squeaking noise sound in there. I'm going to spray a little AT205 on those joints right here on the bushings. A little bit here. A little bit of splash in there. And over there in the joint over here. And I just want to, as an update on these Ohlins, we have 50,000 miles on them now. And they're just getting a little bit of squeak. That's all. But they ride and operate still like awesome. And there's the anti-sway bars, all that's good stuff. It's in its place. I still have these bad boys right here, working like a champ. Alright, got the bottle with the AT. So you just want to hit those little joints as soon as liquid eventually gets in there. Alright, finally got that pump going so I can actually spray some stuff going on in here. There we go. See a little bit of the joints here. And then I'm going to do, see this green stuff right here? That's the good stuff right there. Just grab a crap load of this sticky stuff. This also is good for greasing up some bushings as well, polyurethane. And I'm just going to smear that right up in there. Right up in here. And I'm not going to do it with one hand holding the camera. And like I said, I deliberately spread grease all over that shaft, as I was told by Redwood Motorsports, and it does do the trick. You just got to do it every like 10 or 15,000 miles, and that's what I do right there. And then I can just drop down this thing and drop this whole thing down. That squeak on this side should be good. Just repeat on the other side, and that'll take care of those other squeaks you may hear. Alright, if my phone will hold still, I can show you after I've lubed everything, did that stuff. No more sound. Solid as a rock. That'll last a good 10 or 15,000 miles for that.